In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. This process is simple and effective, making it easy to turn various document types into PDFs. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of each step involved. Let's get started. First, you need to open Adobe Acrobat. Locate the program on your computer. You can find it by searching in your applications or by clicking on the shortcut if you have one. Once you click on the icon, the application will launch. You will see the main interface, which is user-friendly and intuitive. This is where all the magic happens. Opening Adobe Acrobat is crucial because it is the software that allows you to create, edit, and manage your PDF files efficiently. Next, click on the Tools tab. This tab is usually located at the top left corner of the screen. When you click on it, a new set of options will appear. These tools are designed to help you manage PDFs effectively. The Tools section is vital because it organizes the various functionalities Adobe Acrobat offers. You will see a variety of options that cater to different tasks, but for now, we are focusing on creating a PDF. From there, select Create PDF. You will find this option within the tools you just opened. When you click on it, a new window will pop up, prompting you to choose the file type you want to convert. This step is important because it sets the stage for the conversion process. By selecting Create PDF, you are indicating your intention to transform another file type into a PDF, which is often more versatile for sharing and printing. Now choose your file. This could be a Word document, Excel spreadsheet, image, or another type of file. Navigate through your folders and find the document you want to convert. Highlight the file and click on it to select it. This step is essential because it tells Adobe Acrobat exactly what you wish to convert. The more familiar you are with your file locations, the quicker this process will be. Next, click Open. This command is typically located at the bottom right of the file selection window. When you click Open, Adobe Acrobat will begin the conversion process. It is important to wait a moment while the application processes your file. You will see a progress indicator or a brief loading animation. This confirmation reassures you that your file is being converted correctly into a PDF format. Acrobat converts it automatically into a PDF. This happens quickly, and you will notice that the interface updates to reflect the new PDF document. This is a seamless transition that highlights the efficiency of Adobe Acrobat. Once the conversion is complete, you will have your document ready in PDF form. This automatic conversion saves you a lot of time, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Finally, click Save. This option is usually found in the top left corner or in the File menu. By saving your newly created PDF, you ensure that all the changes are stored securely. You will be prompted to choose a location on your computer to save the file. Make sure to select a folder where you can easily access it later. This final step is crucial because it secures your work and makes sure it is available for future use. And there you have it. You have successfully created a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Following these steps will allow you to convert files quickly and efficiently in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.